First, how we didn't know Zaki Somali صوركيسة. He's a famous guy. So I want to show you
Okay.
that first. What do you think about him?
I like his hair though, but I don't think I would date him.
Okay, so you're not ready for dating him.
No.
Zaki Albada
Not my
rejected.
type
He's
though.
watching this video, you know, my friend.
That's
so he
okay. Like, hello to you. He wouldn't date me either, most
Okay,
likely,
thank
you know?
So what about him? He's also famous.
Okay. Oh, I like him. He's
You
cute.
like him?
Yeah, he's cute.
Oh my God, Drisla, look at the
Yeah.
Sorry, let's move the car. Okay, the third one is Asad Hagio at Sedona. He's also big famous.
I wouldn't date him.
No?
No, I don't like his hair. But
You
he's
don't like his
cute
hair?
though. He's cute though.
But
I
why?
don't-
Why you don't like him?
I don't like his hair. Like he's just not my type, you know.
Okay, he's not your type.
Yeah, he's not my type.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. YouTube ka daawanaysan waa Said Serbia. Welcome back to another video. Maanta oo jidin odaa gaariga wataa wuxuu u soo baxay inuu duubo laba video. Insha Allah labada video waa arki doontiin. Video ugu hore waxaa maanta dhalashadeeda waaye birthday-gayga waa maanta. Commentiga maanta wax kale ugu soo qoran happy birthday Said hal i soo qoro maalinta dhashay waa 19 August. 8 saac iyo bar habeenimo dhashay ma fahanto waa saacada dhashay waa 8 saac iyo bar habeenimo ma fahanto waa xasuustaa xitaa markan yow anyway kuma dheeraanayo videoga maanta waxaan noqon doonaa video aan weydiinayo su'aalo gabdhaha aan dhahayo ninkaas hebel ma ka heshay nimankana saddex nin aan diyaariyo waaye Zaki Somali Drisla Abdi Asad Hagio marka waxa waaye indina ku daawan doontiin video xiiso badan waaye first what's your name
Maria.
Maria, where are you from, Maria?
I'm from Belgrade,
You're from Belgrade, Serbia.
Serbia. From
Alright.
Serbia.
Maria, okay. I want to ask you, would you like to marry a black guy? I mean, like African guy.
Why not? It doesn't matter really. Race doesn't matter.
Okay, so like you would like that to marry, right? It doesn't matter. You don't know whatever.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay. Can I show you some pictures? Maybe you can choose if.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Hi. صورة تصا قفتها بدي أرسم تابو حدوث صورة تس. زكي سومالي أكو بلعبي. What do you think about him?
I don't know.
You don't know. You're not sure to marry him.
I'm not sure.
Okay,
I can
Zaki
see
already-
his eyes. Everything
Okay.
is about
Okay, Zaki will reject. Okay, I have two more. What do you think about Drisla Abdi Atusi?
He looks handsome. Yeah. I would choose him. Yeah.
Nice. Drisla lagu qabsado wallahi. Okay, the third one. What do you think? Asad Hagio Atusi.
Oh no, sorry.
Why?
Now I seem superficial, but no, I don't know. I don't like him.
You don't like him.
I don't like.
You don't like him, Asad Hagio.
I don't like him.
Can you say his name? His name is Asad Hagio. Asad. Can you say Asad?
Acid.
Yeah.
Acid.
Yeah. You will not like to marry him, right?
Oh.
Okay. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys. First, can you tell us what's your name?
Milana.
Milana. Where are you from?
I'm from here.
You're from Belgrade.
Yeah, I'm from Belgrade.
Okay, Milana. I would like to ask you something. Would you like to marry a black guy?
Of course, if I like him, yes.
Okay, amazing. How old are you first?
I'm 21.
21.
Yeah.
And you would like to marry if you like black guy, right?
Yeah, I mean, if I like the guy, I will.
Okay.
If
Okay. I would like to show you some picture about those black guys I have. So maybe you can pick up someone, one of them.
I'm not searching for a boyfriend.
I
Though.
know,
So yeah,
but
yeah.
just like to see that, you know,
Yeah,
how he
yeah,
looks.
it's okay.
Okay, first, how we didn't know Zaki Somali صوركيسة. He's a famous guy. So I want to show you
Okay.
that first. What do you think about him?
I like his hair though, but I don't think I would date him.
Okay, so you're not ready for dating him.
No.
Zaki Albada
Not my
rejected.
type
He's
though.
watching this video, you know, my friend.
That's
so he
okay. Like, hello to you. He wouldn't date me either, most
Okay,
likely, you
thank
know.
So Drisla, what about him? He's also famous.
Okay. Oh, I like him. He's
You
cute.
like him?
Yeah, he's cute.
Oh my God, Drisla, look at the
Yeah.
Sorry, let's move the car. Okay, the third one is Asad Hagio at Sedona. He's also big famous.
I wouldn't date him.
No?
No, I don't like his hair. But
don't
he's
like his
cute
hair?
though. He's cute though.
But
but
why? Why you don't like him?
I don't like his hair. Like he's just not my type, you know.
Okay, he's not your type.
Yeah, he's not my type. I'm
Thank,
specific type.
thank you so much. Thank you. You're
Bye,
honest.
Honor.
Thank you too. Bye bye.
Bye.
soo jeedin waxaa la jigta gareeyay Asad Hagio waxaa la doortay markii labaad Drisla Abdi ma fahanti marka waxaan fiirinaynaa mar saddexaad iyo mar labaad insha Allah stay update guys see you bye bye aad iyo aad ugu dambeyn waxaa soo qabtay qoftan marka hore ayadana la wadaagi doonto magaceeda. Can you tell us first what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Andrea, and I'm from Bosnia.
What are you doing in Serbia if you're from Bosnia because it is in Serbia?
I was born and raised in Bosnia, but I've been living here 6 years. I came for university to study here.
What do you study?
Spanish language.
Spanish.
Yes.
Can you teach me some Spanish? How do you
Uh,
say how are you? Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bine, bine. في عنا.
Yanai.
في عنا. Okay. All right. Andrea, I want to ask you something about Somali culture. First, like, what do you know about Somalian culture?
About
As you know that, sorry to stop you. As you know that Somalian culture, because you are with me long and you always saw that Somalian people. So what do you think about Somalian culture, and what can you tell us the difference between Somalian culture and other Nigerian, for example, let's say Nigerian culture and Somalian culture? What's the difference? Can you let us know?
Well, I think the main thing is that you guys eat banana with everything. Yeah, they don't do that.
Nigeria they don't eat with banana.
I don't think so. Yeah, but you
What?
guys eat with everything like pasta, rice, everything.
Did you ever try?
Yeah,
From where?
from you.
From me. What about Anjara? Did you ever try?
Yes. I
From where
tried
you tried?
Injera. From you also.
Ah, okay,
You
all
made
right.
Injera for me. So.
Okay, all right. Okay, so do you like that?
Yeah, it's good. It's good for breakfast.
So what's the difference between Somali and Nigerian? The difference is because of the food, right?
I mean, yeah, that's the first thing that came to my mind. Yeah.
And what about like physically how we look? Can you guess the difference between Somali and Nigerian? Can you recognize when you see far from you Somalian and Nigerian? Can you recognize that how the difference between Somalian and Nigerian?
Yeah, I think if I see somebody, I can recognize.
That if he's Somali or if he's Nigerian?
Yeah,
Because-
probably.
Yeah. What do you know about Somali language? Do you know something about Somali language?
Yeah, actually, I've learned some words in Somali.
Do you know something bad?
Yeah.
What do you know about
I
bad?
don't want to say bad things.
Okay. What do you know about good Somalian?
Habe one accent. Saiba. That's
Sahiba.
what I should say for this job.
Who teach you the bad word? I don't know, from Somalian. Did I teach you, or
Yeah, you
Okay.
teach me.
can you let us know one thing, a small thing? What do you know about bad things? Like, it's fun, you know? Like small things, what do you know?
Wasmo.
What's okay. All right. Okay. All right. So today I have to ask you one questions. Would you like to marry black guy, especially Somalian?
Yeah, sure, why not? If I like him.
Okay. I would like to show you the picture, so maybe you can recognize, you can maybe choose or you can pick up. So let's see. First, I will start from this guy. Do you know him?
Yeah,
What's his name?
Zaki Somali.
Okay. What do you think
Saw
about?
him on YouTube and in your videos, so yeah.
Would you like to marry him?
I mean, why not? Like from the looks, yeah, he looks nice.
From the looks, he looks nice. But from inside, you don't know.
I don't know him, so
Would you like to try?
I mean, why not? He looks like a cool guy, so I would like to meet him.
Okay, thank you. What about the next one? Just لعب Stona. What about him?
Yeah, he looks handsome.
He looks handsome.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I mean, he has pretty face and like he dressed good, so
He has a pretty face.
yeah.
Okay. What about the next one? The third one? Hagio.
Ah, he's also a YouTuber, right?
Yeah.
I saw him in your videos. Yeah, he looks like a cool guy.
Do you know his name?
No,
Asad.
Asad.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think about him?
He looks good too.
But he's not like the second one, right?
Yeah, I just they both have nice hair and like nice face, but I just like shorter beard. I would say that's the main difference.
What's the
I
difference?
like this guy more than other one.
What's the difference between two of them?
There is not much difference, I guess.
Why you choose the second one only?
I don't know, like from the
As we see that your target is the second one.
from the looks, I would say he is more my type. Like
The second one.
Yeah.
This is more your type.
yeah.
Oh, amazing. Okay, guys. Saudi Din qoftan way ka jawaabtay su'aalaheena. Okay, Andrea, I would like to ask you one more. Would you like to visit Somalia?
Yeah, of course.
Where would you like to visit Somalia? As you know, Somalia is a big country. So where would you like to visit?
Well, first I would like to visit Mogadishu, and then your city.
Amazing. Hey, yo, guys, you guys are watching me. Let me know in the comment if there is someone who is interested to show her around. She's ready, I think, right?
Yeah, if somebody wants to be my tour guide and show me.
What do you think about Somalia? Is it safe for you to go around or not?
Well, I guess for now it's not, but inshallah soon it will be.
Inshallah, one day it will be safe.
And then we can all visit together.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Andrea.